Hello again, it's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery, still swipe obsessed and finding out all kinds of new and cool things every day I do this. This is some Meeden paint. I used to use a base layer of Artist Loft and Walmart semi-gloss, but lately I've been enjoying the Meeden paint I got that I found through a friend, Gail Burston. And it makes cells in lots of things, so it's a nice addition. It just makes you feel like you've got something to look forward to, I guess. Hopefully I did not put too much paint on here, but if I did, I have a scrape dish handy. The reason I don't want too much paint, or a layer of too much paint, is because especially the white, I see that thing that does not belong, and I have tweezers to remove it. My spatula is a little on the damp side, but it's an OXO omelet turning flip and fold spatula. That I evidently did not clean all of the paint off, but I don't think it's going to matter because I'll be swiping in a second. I think there's little dry pieces of paint on my blade. So I should just throw that in the bucket and grab another one that's clean for the next go round. So what I've been doing is putting colors down. Did I not open? Yeah, I did. It's just not very open. That's very disappointing. That needs to be opened so badly. Just bear with me for 1 second, or skip ahead if you need to. I want this purple. I think I wanted a bunch of places, to tell you the truth. And I'll start a few things. There's another one that's plugging up on me. I won't worry about that right now. Let's just play with some color combinations. And keep looking for bottles that are actually open. Wow, there we go. I got it. Now I'm using Amsterdam black with a little bit of pre-stained wood conditioner from Minwax in it. And I'm teaching myself how to do this. That was the Folk Art Purple Flash. I'm not sure the angle is completely correct on my card, but that's about how much paint I'm using, just a very small amount. I kind of feel like I could just put the black down, and that would be okay too. I've got white on my card, or I think I'm going to do that. I think I'm going to try it. Get a little more pressure on one side than I was expecting. I'm going to need some more paint. I'm not seeing many cells. I don't have the flexibility with this label that I have with some of my acetate. And I'm not seeing cells, but that's okay because we're going to just keep going. And what I really liked seeing was that purple flash. And what else was in there? I don't know. Let's go for a different color combination. So I used to think I had to put the colors next to each other, but not so much anymore. And then I do it. I'm loving this. Is a folk art color shifting orange. I'm going to use it somewhere else. I'll be good. I don't want to put that right next to each other. But I will probably come back around. I don't actually mind any of the variations on the theme because that's how I learn what I really like when it shows me. Okay, so I've got Hot Orchid, and I want to go from the other side. I want to go from this side. I've got some Cobalt Blue. Is it open? No. But I do have some blue from Folk Art. That's a color shifting blue. And mixed with a little bit of the electric blue from Arteza. And the amethyst. Those are all metallics or color shifts. I'm going to flip this over and use the other side. I'm going to wish I had some gold in there. I love the ombre effect, where it just morphs from one color to the next. I just want to wipe down on the end. So, since I like that, why don't I come back again? What is that? That is a little paint spatter. I can't imagine where that came from. Let's go over here. That's the Prussian blue. There's the color shifting blue from Folk Art. There's the neon. No, it's electric blue. Too many colors. I'm looking for. Why is my hand not going to? Okay, I'll just have to be patient. The Venetian blue from Modern Masters. I want some gold. Hopefully that'll be okay. I'm going to have to put some more black in my dish. I started having to put a bunch of black away, so I stopped putting enough out to be called excessive. I don't think I want to put anything on the ends. I am not quite to that point where I have to make up my mind quite yet. And I've been really, really, really liking. Am I going to split the difference? Or am I going to leave it? I guess I'm going to split the difference. I have some magenta that has golden iridescent pearl fine in it. Where's my gold gone? I'm being called to purple. Look at those cells. Pretty cool, huh? I wish I could keep them. I'm going to put some more of the Amsterdam black, which mixed up was 2 ounces, and to it I added 10 drops. 10 drops of pre-stain wood conditioner. Now I could have dragged that straight over, for sure. I can definitely manipulate a few lines to make them look straighter. I could probably even fill in if I wanted to. I might be able to drag a line right down between. I wonder if I should do that. I've kind of changed my mind about wanting something on this end. But I don't actually have enough colors. So we'll just try and fake it out. I just found out which one of those makes that little mark that I just wiped up. I'm going to take some of this paint and even up that stripe. And use the residuals right there. I'd like this to work. What was I thinking? I was thinking that I like that color shifting orange. I don't know why it looked so terrible in the bottle for so long. I just didn't use it. Kind of want some dioxazine purple there. Really like the turntable to not move. I think I'm going to use all of my colored residuals right down below. And go right back. There we go. I've done stuff that looks similar to this, but not exactly. This is pretty slick. I don't think I even mind that black stripe in there. And a little something on the end. So this is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery saying, hey, check out my 1800, let's see, I have 18 lists of 100, 1800 videos. And also more videos, or the same videos dissected, categorized. I'm excited, I can't help it. Into topics and genres. And if you need a link for anything, just ask me. My paint pouring recipe is below the video, and if I want to leave my paint heavy in places, I can do that because I use GAC 800 by Golden. I have tremendous cells. I have great colors. I had a lot of fun. Thank you guys for joining me. That one mark is really kind of bugging me. It's better now. So what can I tell you? I have Teespring clothing below the video. It's not Teespring anymore, it's just Spring. But it's Oliver print leggings and Oliver print t-shirts, and that makes it cool. Especially if you can't find what you want, you can ask for something, which winds up with you having a custom garment because you asked me and I put it on there. As long as I can, I will. Hey, that reminds me, the name of my book is Because I Can. And it's right next to my other book called Unlimited Possibilities. And they're both on the link tree that's right underneath the video. And underneath the link tree, you'll find my email address if you're interested in purchasing an artwork, or you are interested in a class at the house in Spring Hill, Florida. You can contact me through that email for either of those things. If you have questions, please ask me. You can ask me on my community board too, where you'll also find tomorrow's video. I'm gonna have to zoom in on this because the cells are stunning and the colors are really awesome. And I'm having such a good time experimenting with combinations of colors. Hopefully I'm not moving too fast. I think that might be my favorite combination right in the middle, right there. Of course it would be. So I love you guys, and there's over 92,000, working on 92,500 pretty quick here, and maybe more than that by the time this video airs, unless I'm feeling frisky to post it sooner. I have Pinterest, Instagram, and Twitter links, and they're all on the link tree. My Facebook groups are Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Appreciation Group. For students, Expressionist Art Studio Gallery, totes, and more for shopping. Pixels.com and Fine Art America, which you can find on the link tree anyway. But Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Fans and Collectors has albums of artworks that have been edited from the YouTube videos. If you're interested in making a purchase, use the hashtag and the file number in the title of the video you found. If you are interested in shopping my Amazon link, it helps me out if you do that, and it costs you nothing extra. Thank you guys for all the wonderful comments you leave me to keep my morale boosted. Thank you for the donations that help keep me painting all this time. If you're interested in being somebody who's included in the monthly drawing, you can see what the drawing has to offer for prizes by checking out the exhibition video on the end screen of every video. It changes every month. I want a line down there. I want something down there. Maybe it should be black. But in this case, it's not. I just needed a little filler. I could probably do that with a blue line there too, because these are beginning to run together, and that's kind of neat. I like the way that looks. Should it be this blue? Yeah, it should. And that may dendrite out a bit. Anyway, I'm glad I did that while you were still here. So it wasn't like, surprise! Anyway, so please give me a thumbs up. When you like my videos, you help me out. When you share my videos, you help me out. When you watch them longer, you help me out. When you watch them when the notifications come out, you help me out. And time's up. I get a couple minutes I don't need. I'll set my timer anyway, just in case I find something. My paint pouring recipe, it's underneath the video. When you open Show More, you'll find it. If you have questions, feel free to ask me. If you need a link, feel free to ask me. I'm here for you if you need me. I'll do the best I can, as long as I'm here. And when I'm not here anymore, you'll know, because I won't be answering you back on the community board or on comments. But I'll always answer you on comments as long as I'm around. I love you guys. You inspire the heck out of me. Take care of each other. Take care of yourselves. Bye for now. This is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery saying I will see you anon. Priscilla out.